Okay, you guys, doing a quick video because I received this Influenster box. It says Otter+Pop on it, Symmetry series. Not quite sure what this is, but it did show up today, so I thought better make a quick video opening it up. Just gonna kind of, well, maybe be able to put this right away. So, oh, okay. All right, so when I open it up, it shows immediately there's this release the pop top, like this PopSocket thingy here. And then there's a Otter+Pop thing also here. I'll read that in a second. This is a OtterBox amplifier glass. This is actually for my iPhone 12 mini. So this is actually for my iPhone mini 12. Like, so yay, exciting. So new glass. So tempered glass. Yay. Amplifier glass by OtterBox. Let me hold this a little better so there you can see it. And okay. And then here's the Otter+Pop series case. Look at this. Look how freaking cute that is. Oh my god. Okay, so there's nothing else to work, so I'm going to set it down. Look. So the PopSocket's built in. So it's like almost flush on the back. Oh my god. Is this like... Does this change out? Are these changeable? I'm so confused. So I guess this is built on. That's super... Okay, so here's the little paper that came in the box. It says, Amplify is setting the standards in screen protection, offering long-lasting strength and up to 5 times greater scratch resistance than the leading glass alternative. So the view of all the important things on your phone is perfectly clear. Otter+Pop Symmetry series, a bestseller in the slim and stylish category. OtterBox Symmetry series found its true pairing with the Pop Grip by PopSockets. This fabulous friendship means you don't have to choose between a protective case and an impressive one. Otter+Pop Symmetry series is the slim and protective case integrated with PopSockets Pop Grip that complements your style. The Pop Grip presses flat to slip easily into tight pockets and works seamlessly with the QI wireless charging. And the Pop Tops switches out to change up your look over and over. Okay, and I'm going to show all the products. So here is the Otter+Pop Symmetry series. This is for my iPhone mini 12. Yes, look how sleek that is. Okay, so normally you know how far they stick out. Super freaking cute. And it's really unicorny, so I love that. The Pop Grip that can be changed out for that, as well as the amplifying glass that they included for the front of my phone. I want to say thank you for watching. Also, thank you, Influenster, OtterBox, and PopSocket for the awesome box. I can't wait to put it on my phone after I'm done recording this. Let me know if you have one of these and what you think about them. I'd like to know. Also, if you like this video, definitely comment, like, subscribe if you want to. But I want to know your thoughts on these products. And I'll come back later on after using them for a while and give you a later update. You guys have a great night. Thanks again for watching. Bye.